Oh my God, when is this girl coming, sir? I'm tired though, I just want to leave. Oh, she needs to hurry up and get here. What's this one they are doing? Blind dates? What's all this nonsense? So sick of all this stupid American reality show. Man, I can imagine what the hell is going on in Nigeria right now. The real reality show. I mean, let me watch Coco Mansion, we'll know what's up. Oh, God. Finally, she's here. Come in, who is it?
Moju baby.
Oh, it's you. You this your airport.
Me.
This is the part of my house.
No, sir.
You think you're not Nigeria, you did.
I did.
For Yankee, you supposed to call person before you come to their house.
Man, come
Let's do it.
for
So,
look who they run America to.
so what's the point of this August visit?
Nothing do you.
What can I
You
do?
have to come check on the first lady.
I mean, no.
How
Not
you did?
so. I did, but look, see what I'm watching. Can you imagine? Blind date.
You and the American TV
Oh
channel.
my, I keep that.
Oh my God, so
It's a lie.
for real.
Tell me what.
Honestly, the reason why I stopped there, I was going to Shine's house, but I stopped there to tell you that I think we should start a show.
A show.
Honestly,
You're kidding me.
I have talent. We have talent. I think we should start a show.
But then, what show are you going to start that nobody has done before?
What show? Nobody has done anything that we're going to do.
Okay, tell me what's the point of it?
If Rita from Coco Mansion can be doing all that shit she's doing,
I can fly.
she can fly.
Oh, well, you know what? Okay, I'll tell you one more major reason why we need to do our own show. Because you know, we Nigerians,
Yeah.
we do demons.
Leave Rita
Don't laugh
alone.
now, don't
But
laugh.
plenty stuff to go up.
No, let me tell you another reason. One of the things that's going on in Nigeria is that, did you hear say, now under Yahoo boys here,
I even watch I Believe I Can Fly too.
That's a flyer, but no one thing. That's the brand #1 coconut.
The band must have found something special in her too.
I know, but.
Well, I think so. We should start our
So
own
tell me
show,
what?
man.
Tell me something. What is
All this
one?
music, Nigerian music, all this comedy in Nigeria, politics, Nigerian movies, Nollywood.
And a lot of people
Oh
don't
my
know about
God.
that. Hey, talking about Nollywood.
There's money in Nigeria.
Talking about Nollywood. Yes, a Godfather, Pet Odochi. They kidnap him now. Hey, now, as yesterday.
Oh my God.
They don't kidnap the man, no. I think, what does this feel like? I think the show is starting, sir.
I think we already
started the show, like seriously.
I think we already started this show.
You hear say Madam Ex-First Lady too, that one too when Nigeria.
She did?
I know, Hillary
Hillary
Clinton.
Clinton?
No.
Wow.
She don't come back talking about this.
I hope NEPA don't take her when she go.
I'm talking about NEPA. They tell us where to laptop Nigeria. How we go fit do that one? You can say that thing will go wrong.
I think we just have to keep praying.
Oh my God, that's
Let's light up Nigeria, man. Light up Nigeria.
See, you do on Facebook. How do I go take me say on that day? She shout light up Nigeria.
No, just the pray, man. But I think we already started the show.
I got that guy address song God say. I just said the show don't start.
The show don't start already. So what do you think now?
I don't know what do I think of, but let's ask our people. Which one I think?
What do
you think? I beg go tell us.
What do you think?
Can you watch it?